So, hi.
Hindi ka ba nagkakaroon ng big fatigue? What I mean is, ang lalaki ng mga projects mo for the longest time, don't you ever wish na sana naman the next project would be a two-character story or a story that's more quiet? Wala ka bang ganong pakiramdam as actor? Wala ka bang hinahanap na ganon bilang actor?
I think no, not really as an actor, no. Kasi I don't think, like, ito kaya in-accept ko to kasi it was a challenge for me. It was something new. So, it kind of gets boring, I think, if you're just too quiet, or if that's what you say. If you do the same thing over and over again. But I also want to learn, I want to learn, I want to do something new, I want to do something else. And, yeah, pero rest, if you're saying you rest, yeah, rest. Sa schedule ko lang po, pero basic teleserye-wise, hindi. Parang mas na-excite ako pag may ginagawa akong something kakaiba. Something,
So hindi ka nalulula or you don't find the monotony in your stardom? Because of all the big projects you've been doing one after the other.
No, and I'll be honest with you, like, I even had a meeting with Miss Rem a couple months back na sinabi ko parang gusto ko mag-relax, parang, or, parang, just to change my schedule a little bit, hindi katulad dati na, kasi from when I started, parang, nung nag-start na maging complicating yung schedule ko, hindi na nawala, hindi na nabago. So, kaya ngayon, si Katsino, nawala muna sa ASAP, sabi ko, pahinga muna ako sa ASAP. But eventually, I'll get back to it after Pagani. So, mag-rest muna ako konti, tapos, to do maybe, basta may meeting ulit yung EBS of what to do after. So, yeah, but I think I just need really rest lang talaga. Kasi from one love team to another, hanggat mag-appear ko siya, parang never ako nagpahinga. Parang lagi ako pinapare sa lahat, umiikot. So, hanggat nakakasama ko siya, dire-diretso rin naman. So, it's a blessing. But I think it's importante rin yung rest and quality time with family. Kasi I noticed I've been working so much for my family pero hindi ko naman sila nakakasama. So, you have to sacrifice each one. But sa ngayon, parang nakita ko I can sacrifice my job a little more for my family. That's how I felt these past few months. Thank you.
Liza, ikaw, you're on your way up. You've been on your way up for many months now. Everyone's eyes is on you. I'm sure you've spoken with lots of actors who've been there, who've been up. What is the most important advice you've learned from them so that you don't lose yourself when you're there?
To be someone else outside of showbiz, I guess. I really know how to separate my showbiz life from who I really am, because sometimes it's good to feel that you're still human, because in this world, sometimes you kind of lose that, especially when you're out in front of big crowds every day. It kind of gets to your head, and it's important to always know who you are. And I do that by hanging out with people that I used to hang out before becoming Liza. When I was Hope, I like it that when I'm not Liza, people call me Hope, because it makes me feel that I still am Hope and I don't lose that sense of who I really am. And
My last question sa inyong dalawa.
Yes, po.
If you were to tell each other, Enrique or Liza, don't you ever forget that you are blank. What is that?
Gusto ko yun, ha? Don't you ever forget that you're the only one.
Wow! Yun na.
Tapatan mo yun.
Wait, I can't beat it.
Sige, sa'yo na lang yun.
Can't beat it.
Don't you ever forget that you are loved.
Boom.
Alright.
Speaking of forget, ano yung hindi nyo malilimutan ng mga scenes na ginawa sa Pagani?
Bilang favorite scene.
Ayan,
Okay,
sige
sige.
na, sige.
I think pag magkasama kami lahat,
Makisig, ikaw, anong hindi mo makakalimutan? Siguro, it can be the funniest, the most challenging, whatever.
Pag yung si Tita Lips niro-roast niya lagi si Kuya Mateo.
Ano ba yan? Ano ba relasyon meron kayong dalawa sa set? Bakit meron...
Parang kapatid.
Yes, Dimples, microphone.
Si Mateo kasi magkasama na kami
Okay.
sa Promil I Shine, di ba?
Yes.
So we've been friends for a very long time. And I think people forget that because ngayon lang din talaga kami nagkasama after Agua Bendita.
Yes.
Yan. So marami kaming pinagdaanan magkasama. At alam mo, isa lang ang masasabi ko talaga kay Mateo. Naku, ito na, Mati. I'm so sorry
Share mo na ako.
Alam mo, ang pinakamaganda sa kaibigan kong ito, hindi siya talaga nagbago. Mula nung day one hanggang ngayon nagtitaping kami, bulol pa rin siya.
Yun pala.
At Picon, hindi ako nagsabi na si Opi. Hindi, alam mo, sa artista, masarap yung ganitong, lagi ko lang siyang niloloko kasi natetest talaga ang patience at pagiging matyaga ng bawat isa nakaupo dito sa harap na ito. Ako, I will speak for Sina Direk because I know, si Mati ay kasi bulol. Bulol siya talaga. Now, kaya mo malalaman na kami ay isang buong pamilya dahil kahit gusto mo na siyang saktan dahil buong araw ka nang nakatayo, dun ka pa rin at nakangiti ka pa rin at sinasabi, Mati, kaya mo ito. Let's go, Mati, kaya mo to. Hindi ba tayo nagla-lunch? Dalihan mo na. Alam mo,
So ilang takes yan? Marami.
Direk, sabihin ko ba? I-prove ko ba kung ilang takes, Direk? Ay, huwag na nating bilangin sa numero dahil hindi nabibilang ang pagmamahal sa numero. Pero ito na lang, isa sa pinaka-paborito ko talaga ay bukod sa amin na lagi kaming magkakasama, dito alam mo sa totoo lang, para na kaming magkakapatid, hinuhulaan mo na lang kung sino ang umutot. Excuse me po, no? Good evening. Pero ganun na kami ka-close sa set. Kasi syempre nga naman, buong araw ka. Aalis ka pa ba ng position mo para gawin? Hindi na. Sama-sama na kayong lahat doon. Diba? Pero, ang first honor, second honor, third honor,